Hi, this is a demo of the tablet version of the Dirty Kitchen Cooking Timer app. As the green help text describes, just grab one of the available pans and drag it to a burner. This automatically brings up the timer control panel. The three dials allow you to set hours, minutes, and seconds for the countdown duration of your timer. Spin the dials instead of tapping them to set the duration. Use the large green button to confirm your settings and your first timer begins. As the green help text describes, you may cancel this timer now by dragging it back to the wall rack. I'll just create another timer again. As you will see through the course of this video, the pan color will change color to indicate how far along it is in its duration. It starts green and ends red. I will drag the small sauce pot to a burner to set a second timer. This time I will choose a count up timer. This will give you a blue clock over your pan that starts at 0 and counts up indefinitely. Pans can be moved to reorganize them. This time I'll move the pan into the oven. To move pans out of the oven, just drag them like any other pan. The door automatically opens for you. Timers can be paused by moving them to the center plate of the stove or to the countertop areas. You'll notice its clock pan will dim and its timer will stop to indicate it is paused. It can be unpaused by moving it back to a burner. As you can see, our timer has nearly reached its endpoint. You can silence the alarm simply by touching the pan. Careful, don't burn your finger. You will notice that the burning pan keeps the time for how long it's past due. To change a timer, tap its counting clock and the timer control panel will reappear. Spin the dials to set a new countdown timer or tap the count up button to start a new count up. If you hit the red button, your settings will be canceled and the timer will keep its previous settings. Now to some of the settings buttons below the burners. Tap the question mark button to bring up the help control panel. It has a link to a more detailed guide online as well as a button to turn off the help text that you have seen on screen during the course of this video. Turn this off if that large green help text is annoying you. I'll turn it back on for now and exit the control panel. Tap the gear icon to bring up the settings control panel. Here you can change the alarm sounds to suit your taste. You have access here to the sponge button as well to wash the kitchen in case the neat freaks out there find this kitchen too disgusting to touch. Finally, the ticking button, which is off by default, will allow you to hear a faint ticking sound if you have a timer set. I'll leave other controls to the help documents on the website or another video so I don't bore you to death. Tapping the red button will cancel all the settings you have made. I'll confirm the settings instead with the green button. See our nice clean kitchen? And no expensive maid is necessary. Tap the reset icon to bring up the reset control panel. Tap the green button to reset all the timers back to the wall rack. Almost done now. I'll drop a couple of pans back to the stove. Tap the share button to bring up the share control panel. You can use social media here to share my hard work with others. If you are having any problems or want to share your joy with me, use the feedback button to email me. And don't forget to give me a great rating and review in the App Store if you like it. I am a developer with a team consisting only of myself, and this took a very long time for me to make. I hope you love it and will help me get this out there. This kitchen is way too clean. I like it dirty like my kitchen at home. Enjoy the Dirty Kitchen Timer from BradWallaceDesign.com. Thanks for watching.